Hello guys and girls. So, crash. I'm in San Antonio and there is a crash on I-35 going south. Yeah, there is a big crash. Howdy. So, I'm in a traffic jam. Everything is blocked. And I saw some firefighters on the emergency lane were going to the scene of the crash. I am already waiting for 55 minutes. So it was a long queue. I didn't want to record everything. Now I'm just getting to the spot where is the accident. Stay tuned and you will going to see what happened. I think I'm going to have to change the lane because the other lanes are going faster, but also that could mean that those ones are getting closed. They are going to get closed and they are running better because all of them, they are jumping in front of this lane and causes the queue. Let's see if I'm right. So somehow I have to change the lane. Crash, crash, crash. A big crash. Supposed to be a big one. Everyone is jumping in front of my truck. Come on. Crash, crash, crash. Wait, you're going to see it soon. Yeah. So signal on. I want to go left, but I think that no one will going to let me. Crash, crash. The line is bigger than I was thinking. Letting me, but I don't have any chance but to push, and I'm going to push someone. Hopefully not this guy in front. I did it. If you don't let me, I make my way in. Crash, crash, crash on I-35 going south in San Antonio. There is an object on the road, my Google Maps says. There is an object on the road. I think there is a big object on the road. The queue is somewhere here, but it's not going to happen. That happened. Stay with me. You're going to see a crash on I-35 going south in San Antonio. Crash, crash, crash. Yeah. I'm going to arrive at the scene of the accident. I saw some firefighters that they were running towards the scene. What do you think that happened? Write in the comments. Maybe you were in this queue in San Antonio on 4th of July's weekend. Wow, rough. That was rough. No, this truck drives like a tractor. Trying to be smooth on the accelerator, but my God, what are you doing, truck? So I can see the police officers, the cars, the lights from the police cars. Let's see what happened. What happened at the scene? Crash on I-35 going south in San Antonio, Texas, baby. Hello. Change the lane again. Look at me. I'm going to change the lane and change it now because I see that this line is going faster. So let's see. I was right or not about this lane, or I'm going to be danger, danger. Oh my god. I have a few feet to the accident and let's see what happened. What do you think that happened? Firefighters on the right. Firefighters, yeah. Police officers car. Ah. Escort. Whoa. Some accident it was. Not too big, but big enough to paralyze, to jam everything on I-35 going south. Was the traffic jam, an accident?